Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys where you can get some custom and affordable jewelry. Like this beautiful necklace that I have on here today. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you go and hit that subscribe button. Come and join the family. If you guys are already one of my angels, you know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay, angels, so first and foremost, this necklace is from Joseod Jewels. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. I'll make sure I leave it here, and you guys already know to check down below in the description bar, because this is where I always leave the links to where you can get everything, discount codes and everything will be left down below. So I have this really cute custom name necklace, and this is what it looks like. So this necklace is so gorgeous, and I actually chose this one in particular myself. It came in this little jewelry case here, and it actually has a push option here where you can push it and then it pops open and your jewelry sits right in here, which is so cute and convenient. And sometimes I like to just keep my necklace inside here and carry it around in my purse. And it just came in like this plastic wrap and was nice and secure. So on this website, guys, you can actually get personalized jewelry, personalized watches. Everything is 100% quality guarantee. And if you use the code SAVE10, I'll leave it here, you'll get a chance to save some money off your purchase. So let's go over to the Instagram just to show you guys everything is legit. So this is the Instagram here. As you can see, everything is legit. They have so many different things here that you can choose from. And I'm on the website. I'm on the Instagram as well. But you guys can see everything is legit. They have lots of models and stuff like that. So I'll make sure I'll take you guys over to the website. And on the website, you're going to find everything that you need. This is what the website looks like. So they have a lot of options where you can get jewelry under $10, and everything is easy to navigate because it shows you if you want like custom nameplates or if you want custom bracelets, whatever it is that you want, it'll all be listed here on the site. And all you have to do is click on it. For example, I'll click on custom name necklaces. So if you got like a little boot thing and you want to do like a custom necklace for you and him, that's an option as well. So you guys can see, once you click on that, it's going to take you to all of the couple necklaces and things that you can choose from. This site is very affordable, and what I love about this company is they have so many options. I think the next thing I want to get is like some really cute custom earrings. So it reminds me of like back in the day when everybody would get the bamboo earrings with your name in it and stuff. Like, so I think I'm gonna get me the earrings, and I think I'm gonna get me the I think I'm gonna get me another custom necklace too, because they have different fonts and they have different chain lengths, so you don't have to get the really thin length like I got. You can actually pick and choose what you like from the website. So again, the company is called Joseod Custom Jewelry. And thank you so much, Joseod, for reaching out to me and sending me out this gorgeous necklace. I love it so much. I'll make sure I'll take more pictures. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Also, don't forget to check the description bar and make sure you use that coupon to save some money. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I know you guys are going to love this jewelry, so go and shop, go purchase from the site, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.